Everyone has the right to a fair and speedy trial, but a shortage of court-appointed attorneys has slowed that process here in the Big Country.
KTAB's Mercedes Hernandez has more from Taylor County Judge Downing Bowles about an idea commissioners are considering to try and close that gap.
Taylor County commissioners are looking into forming a rural regional public defender office, pulling together attorneys from 5 counties, Jones, Taylor, Coleman, Callahan, and Shackelford, to serve as court-appointed attorneys on cases across that area, many of which have been backlogged by the pandemic.
COVID was so bad in so many ways, but the backlog of cases, we've had people that have been sitting in jail waiting to go to get their cases heard, and they can't.
Taylor County Judge Downing Bowles says a shortage of court-appointed lawyers is happening in part due to a large number of CPS cases and the rules that come along with serving children involved.
That attorney who's appointed for that child has to go and visit with the child before that hearing takes place. They can't do it the morning of the hearing. They have to go and physically check up on the child, so which means they're now having to travel longer distances, have more time away, and it is just so cumbersome now because remember, every child in a CPS case is entitled to an attorney.
If the office is created, it's possible new lawyers just starting out could be recruited to work in the Big Country for public defense, something Judge Bowles says the state is more likely to fund if partnerships among counties already exists. That extra funding very much needed to make paying for local public defenders fit the county's budget.
We're trying to control cost to the taxpayers. With the CPS backlog and the rest of the backlog that's happening now, the judges are coming in saying we've got to start paying our attorneys, our attorney ad litems more.
In Abilene, with coverage you can count on, Mercedes Hernandez, KTAB News.
Thank you, Mercedes. A similar partnership has already been formed in Tom Green County. The Texas Indigent Defense Fund paying for the entire cost of public defenders for Tom Green County. The same would be true here.